Assalamualaikum friends, how are you all? So in this video I am going to discuss you about the Ahadis section, which is part of paper 2, and what is the format of question and answer. Okay, so let's begin. So there are total 20 Ahadis that are based on individual conduct or life in the community, like how the ahadis are going to affect the conduct of Muslims or the believers individually, and what will it affect to the community. How can communal life of people can be made better if we implement the ahadis. So it states that candidates should study the teachings contained in each passage about what Muslims should believe and how they should act. Candidates should study the passages with reference to the original Arabic text as well as the English translation. In the examination, passages will be set in both Arabic and English. So the questions that will come in the examination in the paper 2, so you will be getting both Arabic of the ahadith and the English translation as well. So it's very important that you read out the English translation. Plus, you should study what the passage or what the ahadith is teaching you about. How the Muslims should act when they implement the beliefs and the teachings that were taught by the hadith. So question number 1 will be mandatory, in which it will have 2 parts. Like it states, describe their teachings about what Muslims believe, and part B, explain how Muslims can put these teachings into actions. So the hadith that you will have learned, okay, for your examination purpose, you are going to write the actual belief, what the hadith is all about in part A, and how can Muslims put those belief into practice, into actions. Like how can that hadith be implemented in the daily lives of the Muslims or to benefit the communal life of the society. So question number 1, part A, belief. Teachings about belief, learning about individual or communal life, and a quotation. So as I've told you in the previous slide, that you need to mention what is the belief that you can extract from the hadith, okay, and what is the learning. Is it telling about individually, it is focusing individuals only, or is it focusing the communal life, like the people in the society? And then you have to support your answer with a quotation. Second part is B part, which is actions. Suggestions to Muslims, examples, Prophet life, present day. So in B part, you had to provide suggestions how can Muslim implement the belief that is basically mentioned in the hadith. You can quote examples from Prophet's life, or you can quote the examples from the daily life. So 3 minutes should be spent on each part, and together it should be 80 to 90 words for the whole question. So in case if you have any questions, any query, you can approach me on the WhatsApp number. So stay tuned to my channel for more videos. Stay tuned. Take care. Allah Hafiz.